Hey y'all, Braxton Boys back again. Today we're going to go over our Mitsubishi electric remotes. So first thing we're going to do is turn the system on. So you're going to point it at it. It has to be line of sight in order for this to work. When you hear that beep, it means it has received the signal and it is going to do what the remote tells it to do. If I point it at you, it's not going to do anything. It has to be line of sight. So on the remote, we have our mode, we have our econo-cool, our fan, our vane, and then just some stuff for the clocks. So right now we have our snowflake, which is cool. I'll put my finger over here just so it doesn't register. Now we changed it to the raindrop, and that's going to help pull out any humidity. Next is the sun. Sun, of course, means heat. That's our circulation. Next, we're going to go to our fan. And this here is just going to give us our level and our vane. See that moving there? So with our vane, this here is the vane. The fan, of course, is the amount blowing out. So right now I have it on oscillating, so it will go up and down. We are on cool. That's what our downstairs is set at. And that's how the remote works. I will place a link in the description below for the owner's manual on this from the Mitsubishi website. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. This is Braxton Boys. Have a good day.